Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me, and I am in the beautiful state of Texas. I'm right along the Texas-Louisiana state line. I'm at a place called CHEAPEST State Park. I'm right on the Gulf of Mexico. I wanted to find some sand dunes to bash the Slash two-wheel drive, but unlike West Texas, Eastern Texas does not seem to have any sand dunes. So beach sand is about the best thing we're gonna get. Back to what I was talking about, I do have the Slash two-wheel drive, aka the CHEAPEST Traxxas Slash Project with me. We're gonna be running on 3S. I'm still running the Proline Badlands. We'll see how these rip in the sand, but let me go ahead, get it hooked up, and then we're gonna jump right in this video. Alrighty guys, time to rock and roll, here we go. By the way, I also swapped out the Spectrum receiver. The Spectrum receiver started acting up in this, so I had another TQI transmitter and receiver sitting around. I went ahead and I swapped the Traxxas radio system back in, so I do have TSM and everything now. So alrighty guys, I think we should start off with a launch. You guys ready? Get set. Go! Yeah, they're not hooking up too bad, the Badlands. We're going to do a few flybys, and then we're going to go to the soft sand over here. Let's go do a flyby. Alrighty, here we go. She's rowdy, that's for sure. Let's bring her back. Let's go rip around over here. Also, by the way guys, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a big like. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell, because I do travel for work, which is what I'm doing right now. I just piloted an oversized load down to Houston area. So since I'm traveling all the time, I bring my RC cars with me and I upload videos literally all over the place. So that's why you want to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on new videos. Launch. And we tumbled it. It's really bumpy through here, so this section right here is really testing out those Proline Power Stroke shocks. That was some nice air. Give that a thumbs up. nosedived it. She just hit low voltage mode, guys. So I'm going to go ahead, wrap up this video. But once again, if you did enjoy it, make sure to hit that like, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you later.